Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to our this series of videos in which we talk about the YouTube studio and our dashboard and analytics, right? So here what we are going to do is that we will redo our exercise of downloading our statistics and then generating those statistics report and putting them into all the files of all the lesson files. Each of our video, if we go and show you how our contents are ever organized. Uh, as you know, YouTube provides you the access to the contents, and these are sorted by date. The last uh, uh, is always top. The last video which you uploaded or schedule is on top, and the previous one is in the bottom, right? So these are these. Each video has a description which is shown to the viewers and audience, and they can see this description. And each video has some lesson file linked. So this is the link of the lesson file. So without changing this link, we want all the links, uh, uh, the files to which these links are provided. So they should be get updated, and they have the latest picture of our these videos which are popular and others in terms of subscribers and etc. So for this we have to go to the analytics, right? So first of all we have to go to the studio. We start from the studio, then we go to the analytics, and in the analytics we go to the see more. Yeah. Okay. So the graph is now rising. That's better because we are now analyzing it and trying to do some enhancement to and change our strategy and to to bring some betterification. Means the things should go better. So this is an indication. It's a healthy sound that the graph has started moving. Okay. So we go to the see more, and here we have the contents. This we are going to download, but not for last 28 days. We will make it for the last 365 days, or lifetime is fine. We do the lifetime. Okay. And then we download this, right? So we keep an eye. It is now for 47,292 views so far, and number of hours is are reaching 6,000 soon, inshallah, and the subscribers are 1171, and the dollar amount is this. Okay, so let's download to the Google Sheet first. Once it gets downloaded, you will have an indication here that it is yeah. So open in a new tab if it asks you. Open it in a new tab, right? So 4792. This is the writer status. So what we do here is we download it to the Excel from Google to Excel. So as soon as it is downloaded, you will get an indication like this, and here you are going to go to open the folder in which it is shown. We will open this file temporarily. We will close it later on. Make sure we close it later on. Okay. So this is our Excel, and here, okay. So what we do is we start from here, okay, and we copy. There's one thing that this is our target, and we want to preserve this before we lose it, because we have to bring it back, this message. So we put it here so that if it gets lost, then we will get it back from there. Okay. So what we are going to do is from here, row number 2 until the last row, we are going to copy it, second last row, not the last row, because this is the last row, right? This, this is showing only 500 results, okay? So not exceeding from 500, okay? So that's okay, 500 is fine for us, we can live with that. Okay, so we will paste right away, okay? So as you can see, we have chosen, included this A column, not B, okay? So we are going to paste it here. So all our URLs, etc., are lost. This message is lost, but we have the right total on the top, and we have the right figures, and the 502 rows, that's 500. Okay. Now we will get this message back so that we know this is our latest file. Previously, this message was not written. Now we have it gives us a look when we open it. Then if this message is there, it means it is updated. Otherwise, the figures are also indication. You can observe it. But this message tells that you click in here and you will get it. In order to get it back, the URL back, all you have to do is click on it here and the URLs are back. Okay. So far, so good. So these are now ready, and make sure any extra file is closed. We have this extra file at the moment, so let's close it. Oh. Let's close this file. We don't need this file. So we are making sure that there we have only one file. Open this and we save it before we start. Before, and also we remove all these entries as well. Hmm? And you remember we had made some changes in the code, so we go to the code and we will do what? We will uh, remove that code which is taking uh, the break, which is just dependent on a certain number of files. So we will comment it. No? So this was actually terminating uh, the loop when the 20 files were done. Okay. So or we can take the 10 so that we see that 10 files are done, and later on we can uh, continue with that. Okay. So that's it. So we go to the start and we click the start. Now it is start from the beginning. Yes. Okay. So starting with the lesson number 3. That's right. Okay. So it is now opening the lesson number 3 until the lesson number 417. It will continue. But since we have terminated it in after the uh, 10 files, it will terminate. Fine. But later on we will continue once it is done successfully. Okay. So let's see. So we can go to see it, how it is happening, and the best way is that we go to our YouTube studio, right? This is our YouTube studio. We close this, and this is the studio, and we click on the Excel and we see that how it is processing. It is now processing and taking the files one by one and inserting the latest picture of our popular video into the file. Okay, so it is not moving. So it is moving. Lesson number 4 is now being updated. So this is the sheet was updated. It is closed now, and now it is taking. It is trying to open lesson number 5. Right, lesson number 5 is being opened, and once it is open, the next thing it will do is they replace the latest URL-based files, right, in which the users can go through our popular videos and use the URL to play our videos. So these are the files uh, which are linked to the description of each video, right? And uh, without changing the path, the OneDrive path and URL, uh, they can have the updated picture of our latest popular videos list, right? So, and the process is complete, and you can see the files are updated, and can see we were lesson number 13, yeah, was the last file which was completed. And uh, this image of this it has been moved to each file which was processed. Now you can see that 10 files have been done. The done it has been written, no errors were found, and it is maintaining the log. And when a file, what time, which date, this file was updated with no errors, and the updation was this. Okay. So if you start from the next file, all we need to do is click start. So here we will say no, otherwise it will start from lesson number 3. So lesson number 14 is being chosen, and it is going to publish. So, but we have to. It will again take. Uh, no, it's okay. So it will stop because we have to. Let's say yes, we have we have to remove that terminator of do while loop first. Otherwise, it will keep on doing. Or if it accepts, then it's fine. Actually, I forgotten to comment that temporary command. But if there is no need to do it, it's okay. We will go get rid of that. Okay. So it depends upon what condition you have entered. So this file has been completed. If it is following, it is continuing, it means the process will go on. So no need to make any adjustment in the code, right? Okay, that's good. So I hope this refresh your memory about this automatic updation concept. No matter how many files you have in your OneDrive folder, so it will go through all the OneDrive all the files in your desired folder and open one by one and make the updation and save it and go to the next file. So this is a template prepared for all those who may have such a or similar situation or in which they want to carry out the updation process on multiple files. Okay, I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much for watching.